we have a lot of nettles, so I decided to try to make fertilizer of it. It's supposed to be really good and nitrogen rich. So I will try a double project where I water one side of a field with nettle water and the other will just get water. So I'm excited to try, but first I will have to pick lots and lots of it. I have prepared a barrel of water. It was an old one, so it's not pretty, but it will do the trick. And I have all these nettles freshly picked. So it's a start. I think it's room for a little bit more. And then I just have to wait for it to smell really bad in a week or two. And then hopefully we get a good fertilizer. It is almost full. Owie. I probably should have stirred it a bit more these days, but I forgot. This really smells bad. I am mixing it 1/10 with water so it won't be too strong. Meet my victims! So I have chosen the pumpkins for the nettle water experiment because they need a lot of fertilizers to begin with. Now they just have a little bit of compost from the animals, not so much. So half of them will get nettle water and the other half will just get water. I think if there are any plants that can give a visible sign if this is working, it will be the pumpkins because they are so craving. I have been watering them for 2 weeks, but I can't see any difference yet. Both sides are growing fine. Look. Oh. Pumpkin! So I think every plant has at least 1 or 2 small now. Okay. This doesn't look like pumpkin. I think it's a squash. It is a bit different, maybe. No. Huh. I will have to follow that one. These are the smallest ones. But they are coming nicely along. I can't see the big difference between the one and the other side. But yeah, they are coming quite fast now. They were so small. Can you see the difference now? The ones on the left hand side is kind of yellow because they have less nitrogen from the Nettle water, and the ones on the right hand side, they are more dark green. So I now have a situation where these are more happy, they are growing faster, and this shows sign of nutrient deficiency. They actually have quite a lot of light green and yellow leaves. Ta-ta! And these ones doesn't have that at all. So the Nettle water are working. Hooray! This was a fun experiment. Now I think I have to give these other ones some too, so they get happy as well. But every plants are producing grapes. Here are the stick. Look how big they are now. And the strange one is, yeah, I still don't know if it is a squash or zucchini or, huh. It's strange. I'm just giving them some chicken manure to speed up the nutrition balance. I have figured out that this has to be a mix between a pumpkin and a zucchini. So, pumpkini. It's our own seed, so it is possible. Both sides of the project are growing fast now, and the leaves are more and more green on both sides. There are more strange pumpkins, but nevertheless I think the project has shown me that nettle water are really working. That's really cool. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe out there in YouTube land. Bye.